evening, everyone. My name is Kemi. I'm a network engineer by profession, and I'm doing this from Nigeria, Lagos State to be precise. This evening, I just want to show us how we can run a bandwidth test through the command prompt or the new terminal window. Although there's a feature on a mikrotik router where you can run a bandwidth test, but I just want to introduce this to you because when you have a variety of tools to use, it allows you to compare and contrast the results and to actually get the true picture of what is happening. So let's go ahead and do this. We launch our new terminal window. Okay, so from there, just enter the word tool, the speed test, then the address where you are testing to this particular address, then you supply the username and the password. You can see how it is running. Starts with the ping test, check the status. It's actually checking if this address is live. That's going to the status are changed now to the TCP download. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I think I supplied the wrong username and password. You can see that the ping is running. Start with the ping to confirm if the IP is live as passed that test. Now the TCP download, you can see the value here 92.9, 92.7. You can see it has gone to upload now. The upload is 90.9. You can use this one to even how would I say it now? Investigate your ISP. We subscribe for 100, we are saying 90, but we subscribe for 90. That you understand. So it is done with TCP download. Now the UDP. And UDP is connectionless, not connection based. So you can compare and contrast even from the TCP. So I think this my subscription is around 93 or 94 thereabouts. But at least from what I can see, no jitter, no loss. It's a very clean link. It's okay. It's fine. I think I can work perfectly with this. So that is all for this particular video and for this particular um, tutorial. So enjoy mikrotik and then spread the news, comment, share the link, share the video,